The BC Wildlife Federation is deeply committed to conservation efforts in the heart of the Columbia Valley. Through our partnerships and with the support of local communities, we've undertaken projects that not only rejuvenate natural habitats, but also integrate modern conservation methods with Indigenous knowledge and practices. This includes our collaborative work with the 2023 Youth Conservation Camp and our ongoing efforts at the Sun Creek Wetland Restoration project in Canal Flats. In June of 2023, the BC Wildlife Federation had the opportunity to collaborate with the Shuswap Nation for a multi-day youth conservation training camp. This camp was an effort to help Shuswap youth learn and develop environmental stewardship skills and show connections between modern conservation practices and deep-rooted cultural traditions. Participants had the opportunity to explore wetland identification, fish stewardship, and plant sessions. The camp also touched upon traditional Indigenous insights such as archaeology, wildlife identification, and historical hunting practices. Language lessons, drumming sessions, archery, prayers, and evenings dedicated to campfire storytelling were also integral parts of the camp. In October of 2021, a significant transformation took place in a degraded area of the Sun Lake watershed near Canal Flats. With the support of several project partners, Sun Creek has seen a new dawn with the restoration of almost 7 acres of wetland habitat. In the fall of 2023, the BCWF hosted an event at the Sun Creek site with all of the project partners, including community members of the Akiskanook First Nation and land tenure holders. The overall vision of the Sun Creek Restoration Project acknowledges the comprehensive benefits of wetland restoration, which enhances biodiversity and water quality, mitigates the impacts of flooding and climate change, bolsters economic and recreational activities, and reinforces community well-being and cultural ties. We'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our partners and funders. Without them, these projects would not be possible. We'd also like to extend a special thank you to the Regional District of East Kootenay, Columbia Valley Local Conservation Fund.